Okay, so it's day 3 and we're gonna do some souvenir shopping and then we're headed to the beach.
Yeah. Got the souvenirs. Alright, how was the souvenir shopping?
It was great.
Alright, now getting on the elevator, heading down to the beach. Welcome to paradise. Look at that hottie.
And it wasn't the same place as last year.
Okay, so we've been out here probably, what, an hour?
Oh, probably an hour, yeah.
We're swimming in the ocean and now we're just sitting on shore relaxing. Okay, so we're done at the beach and we're heading to the pool. It's a pretty hot day. Thoughts?
Toasty.
Still toasty.
Some of them got a little burnt.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Really? How's it feel?
A lot warmer than the ocean. A lot warmer.
True.
Just heading back to the room from the beach all day.
Okay, so we just got back to the room. As you saw, we went to lunch and I got some chicken tenders and fries and it was pretty good. And then we went to the pool and we've been there for about 2 hours, about 4:30 now. And I don't know what we're doing. I think we're gonna change and maybe go somewhere, I don't know. Okay, so we're at the pier. How's it going?
It's pretty cool. It's very windy out here.
It's true. It's beautiful.
Go-kart time. Third race of the day. You ready? It was a good race, but looks like my car was in first that time. Good race, everyone. Napoli's pizza. It's pretty good, I think. We'll see what the girl thinks.
You're doing dinner.
Okay, so we're here at Napoli's Pizza. How's the cheese stick so far?
Awesome.
All right, let's see you take a bite.
No.
Look at that deliciousness right there. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, put more cheese on the cheese sticks. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's packed.
It's packed.
Holy cow.
Okay, finally got out of Cold Stone. Pretty long line. What'd you get?
Cookies and cream shake. It's
I got
delicious.
a cake shake. Okay, so we're about to go to bed. I got my new souvenir shirt. And we had a really relaxing day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.